How much should you actually spend on truck seat covers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. The Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers caught my eye right away, and at $39.99, they promise comfort and protection. If you want to feel like you're sitting on a cloud while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these covers solve your problem. The Skechers Memory Foam material contours to your body, providing pressure relief and making long drives more comfortable. Plus, the air-cool mesh fabric keeps you cool, preventing that sticky feeling during summer drives. With over 3,000 bought just last month, people are clearly loving these. And here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're spending hours in your truck, comfort is key, and these covers deliver. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit loose on certain seat types. Here's the thing though, if you have a universal fit truck, it might not be a deal breaker. Just be prepared to adjust them a bit. This is perfect for you if you spend long hours driving and need comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for something super tight-fitting or specialized for particular models. For the price, you really get excellent value here.
Product number 2, Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers in gray. Priced at $34.99, these caught my attention because they promise durability and breathability. If you're looking for reliable protection while keeping cool, this is one to consider. The breathable mesh design is a standout feature. It allows airflow, which means you won't feel stuffy during your commutes. Plus, the covers are airbag compatible, which is crucial for safety. They're designed to securely fit most vehicles thanks to a form-fitting design, making installation a breeze. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that these are popular among truck owners. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working or off-roading, you need something that can handle dirt and spills without compromising your safety. Some users mentioned that they had trouble with the installation instructions being a bit unclear. Honestly, if you're not tech-savvy, that could be frustrating. But once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. This is great if you need something that withstands wear and tear while being easy to install. Skip this one if you're looking for a fancy look or premium materials. For the price, it's solid protection.
Product number 3, Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers, black, also at $34.99. These are identical in features to the gray version, but offer a sleek, darker look. If you want style along with function, this might be the one for you. Just like the gray version, these covers are made from breathable poly cotton, ensuring a comfortable ride. The airbag compatibility is crucial as it doesn't interfere with safety mechanisms. The easy installation means you can put them on without needing extra help. With the same sales history as the gray ones, it's clear many drivers find these covers appealing. Here's why it matters. If you frequently transport passengers, you want them to feel comfortable and safe, and these covers provide that. Now, some reviews pointed out that while they fit most vehicles, they might not be perfect for all. I'll be real with you. If you have unique seat designs, you might want to double-check the fit. This is perfect if you want a stylish yet functional cover. Skip this if you need something tailored to a specific truck model. The value you get here is fantastic for the durability and comfort.
Product number 4, Elantrip Leather Seat Covers. The Elantrip Leather Seat Covers, priced at $38.24. These stand out because they promise a luxurious feel with excellent durability. If you're after something that looks and feels high-end, this is worth checking out. The faux leather material is not just about looks. It's waterproof and tear-resistant, meaning you won't have to stress over spills or scratches. Plus, the ergonomic design includes a removable pillow for added comfort, which is a nice touch for those long drives. With 1,000 sold last month, drivers clearly appreciate the blend of style and utility. Here's why this matters. If you have kids or pets and want to maintain a clean look, these covers can save you a lot of hassle. However, some users found the installation a bit tricky, especially with the straps. Honestly, if you're not handy, it might take a few tries to get it right. But once you do, it's usually worth it. This is ideal if you want a luxurious look while protecting your seats. Skip this if you're looking for something quick and easy to install without fuss. For the price, it's a good investment for durability and aesthetics.
Product number 5, Meg Inc. Dog Car Seat Covers. We have the Meg Inc. Dog Car Seat Covers, priced at $33.99. If you're a pet owner, this one is a must-see. These covers are designed specifically to protect your seats from furry friends. If you want to keep your truck clean while traveling with your dog, this could be the perfect fit. Made from 600D Oxford fabric, these covers are waterproof and designed to withstand scratching and chewing, which is essential for pet owners. They fit most truck models perfectly, so you don't have to worry about a poor fit. The installation is quick and easy, taking less than 5 minutes, which is a huge plus for busy owners. And with over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that pet owners appreciate this product. Here's why it matters. If your dog travels with you a lot, you need something tough that can prevent damage to your interior. Some users mentioned that while the cover is durable, it may not stay in place as well as expected during rough rides. Look, if you have a super active dog, that could be an issue, but for most casual trips, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect if you travel with pets and want to protect your seats. Skip this if you need something just for human use. For the price, it's a fantastic option for pet protection.
So, to wrap up, we've covered the Skechers for comfort, the Cat Mesh Flex options for protection and style, the Ellen Trip for luxury, and the Meg Ink for pet owners. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs carefully before making a choice.